class. This is the first of a series of videos giving you some advice on doing the essay assignment in Biology 1002. The first step for you is to identify an appropriate scientific paper to which to base your essay on. And so we're just going to go through the steps of searching using library databases in order to find ultimately a PDF copy of the paper that we can then use to read, base our assignments on, and upload onto Brightspace when it is due. So open up a browser, any browser, go to our library. Some of this will autofill because I did a search just before starting the video. Here I am in Memorial University Library's front page here. Go to Research Tools, pick Databases, and then choose Biology. So these are going to be the search engines that the library makes accessible to us, and you can see that there's actually quite a few options. Many of these are highly appropriate for the assignment, and perhaps you're more familiar with them. But I'm going to just use the Web of Science Core Collection, and that's a database search engine that I've been using since I was a graduate student. So click on that to open it up. It already says new species of lizard because I did a search earlier. There's two things here is you want to find something that really interests you. So whatever group of plants, whether it's orchids or whatever group of animals, say scorpions, that you're most interested in, here's a chance to search specifically for something that you find exciting. So I put in a search string, new species of lizard. This could be new species of orchid if you wanted. I leave this here on topic, so it's going to be searching that string in the titles and the abstracts of papers within the database. I then put in a custom year range. So you may have all years when you first open this up, but I put in a custom year range and I made it 2018 to 2018. So it's only going to find scientific papers with this search string in the last calendar year, which is important to finding an appropriate paper. So I go search. Now I'm confronted by 18 pages worth of hits. Some of these are not helpful, like predator avoidance training of the endangered lizard, a new management strategy. It doesn't describe a new species, but it did have the string of words of lizard new. And there's another one here, new species, this one here. That's a good paper. And but when I clicked on it earlier and tried to get the full PDF, our library didn't have access to it. Now, if you really wanted this paper, there are ways of getting the library to help you out, and one's called document delivery. So you can talk to a librarian about how to do that, and within, say, 3 calendar days, they can provide you with a PDF or digital copy of the paper. So that'd be one way around it. The other is to write directly to the author and ask if they have a PDF that they're willing to share with you. Many of these authors can and will. But again, you don't want to be doing this last minute. You want to be finding your paper and asking for help from the library or from the authors of the paper with a few weeks before your draft is due. So in my previous search, I went to the second page. I found this species here, this paper here, a new cryptic species of anoles, and you can click on that to see more about it. You can read the abstract to see if it's going to be appropriate. So a new species, a lizard from the Andean slopes. So this looks like it's going to be great for me. I'm interested in lizards, and so this is the paper I want. Now I want the PDF or the digital copy. So you can do that by free full text from the publisher, or you can go get it at Memorial, but I'll click on that button. And now I have some options for trying to find the full text. I'm just going to take the first option. This is DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals, which Zookeys is an open access journal. And thank you, Mun, for your fast internet. Damn. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we can read the whole paper in ZooKeys, but you want a copy of it for uploading when your draft is due, and you click here on PDF. This should jump a copy of the PDF into my Dropbox, or not Dropbox, my downloads. So I'll wait for that to finish. And now we have a copy of our paper. So a new cryptic species of Anoles lizard. It's got the abstract, keywords, introduction, materials and methods, and now it's available for you to read, and you also have a copy now that you can upload onto Dropbox. Now, you can use this paper. It's not off limits now. Just keep in mind that it may not represent your own interests, so it'll be harder to do the assignment if you don't really care about it. The other is that because the whole class is watching this, there could be 60 or 70 people who lazily use this paper as well, so your essay will probably be more easily comparable to those people in the class. So try to find something distinct that represents your interest. In the following videos, I'll be going through the writing instructions and elaborating a bit on that. But if you have any trouble finding a scientific paper that's peer-reviewed and in the scientific literature, then please come talk to Dr. Caldwell or myself, either in our office hours or make an appointment. Anyway, thank you.